guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing something new for you guys. I'll be reviewing the Gala of London liquid lipsticks for you guys, and I thought while I'll do this kind of a review video for you guys, I'll be very honest with everything. I'll tell you the pros and the cons of this lipstick, and so I've jotted down all the points that I need to talk about. And so let's not make this intro very long and let's hop on into the video and into the review. So I'll start with the very first thing, and that is the packaging. This Gala of London liquid lipsticks retails for about 199 rupees per piece. Packaging is really nice, classy, chic. It is a silver packaging. It's written Gala of London long stay lip color. And to be honest, this packaging kind of looks like the color bar packagings. Now what I like about this whole packaging is that all the ingredients are also showed in the packaging. The first three things that it has is wax, and then it has paraffin, and apart from all this chemically stuff, it has jojoba oil, shea butter, vitamin E, castor oil, pearls, and approved color. I really like the fact that they have showed all the ingredients in this liquid lipsticks, because we don't get to know about the ingredients of all the liquid lipsticks. The amount of product that you get is 1.6 ml, and it says that the vitamin E and the jojoba oil helps to make your lips nourished and moisturized and all that. But to be very honest, these lipsticks are very drying. So next, if I talk about the actual packaging of the lipstick, you can see that is a clear plastic bottle, and we can see the color from over here, and it has a silver cap with rims all over it. I really like the packaging, but the problem with the packaging is that while I'm trying to open this, it makes weird noises. So that kind of feels a bit cheap. Now if I talk about the doe foot applicator, it is a standard doe foot applicator, and the wand is really short, so it helps to be really precise with your lines. The color payoff is extremely well. One dip of the lip color is enough to coat the entirety of your lips, and it is really opaque, and it dries down matte after a few seconds, like 10 or 20 or 30 seconds. It depends upon the formulation of the lipsticks. But I have to warn you guys that either scrub your lips very nicely and then put on a moisturizer. But if you don't like to scrub each and every time, because I know I do that, just put on a really heavy lip balm on your lips and then just pat it to remove the excess, and then apply this lipstick. Now I'll do the swatches on the hand to let you guys know about the formulation and the lip color and all that. The first color that I'm going to swatch is Twig. It is a very famous color, and this is the color for Twig. Twig is really soft, and it does not feel like there is anything on my skin when this dries down, and the color is really nice. The color payoff is nice. This color is really light on the lips and even on the skin. It does not crumble, it does not flake off, and this does not settle into your fine lines. And this formulation, I think, is my favorite formulation, because I don't know it is because of the color or not, but the formulation of all the three colors that I've got are kind of a little different from each other. The next color that I want to swatch is 09 French Pink. So this is the color French Pink. This color is good for people with fair to medium skin tones, but for darker skin tones this will be a little fluorescent, I guess. This one is a little uneven and a little bit patchy, not much, and this feels like there is something on my lips and something on my skin when I've swatched. And the color is really opaque. It dries down matte, but wherever you get a little bit of excess color, that part tends to dry a little bit later. It takes a little bit more amount of time to dry down. This color is extremely drying, and it settles into your fine lines if you don't apply a lip balm. So to be honest, I do not like the formulation of the color French Pink, but yes, the color is absolutely gorgeous. And the last color that I would really like to swatch is 03 Passion. This is the color Passion. Now immediately swatching this color, I can say that the formulation of this lipstick is quite different from the other two. The Twig was really light on my skin. The French Pink was light, but I could somehow feel like there is something. Now the consistency of this lipstick is really thick as compared to those two. This is not at all sticky, but the French Pink one is a little bit sticky. This one is not at all sticky, but yes, if you try to layer it off, it will crumble on your lips like nobody's business. So apart from all the cons, this color is to die for. As you can see, it is so gorgeous. It makes the look so nice on your lips. All the three liquid lipsticks are really drying, as you know, but these lipsticks are really long lasting on your skin, so it even lasts for about 7 to 8 hours. I had eaten noodles and Szechuan and all that oily stuff, and even after that 90% of the lip color stayed on my lips, and for quite a long time, for 7 to 8 hours it would easily be there on your lips. If I have to choose which one is my favorite according to formulation, I'll choose Twig, and based on the color, Passion is my favorite. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel, and do comment down below if you think these lipsticks are worth buying for you guys. I bought this, I'm enjoying this. Yes, there are many cons of this lipstick, but still I'm enjoying the colors of this lipstick. I wear them, especially Twig. I wear it out each and every time I go out to the malls and all. All my links will be down in the description box below, so do check it out and go and follow me over there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.